Welcome back to Mixed Bag Fishing. We're going to go through on how to cook this mullet fillet. With the fillets, they've been pin boned, all the scales have been removed, the whole center line's been removed. Very, very clean looking fillet. So this is really appropriate for a hibachi grill. Tiny little bit of oil. Just rub it in with the hibachi. You don't need to have excess, otherwise it does flame up. But we do want a good even grill on this. I keep the long tail bit on it so you've got something to manage it, and I trim it up afterwards if need be. But this just makes sure that you can have a bit of room to move with it. They don't have huge high fat content in the fillet itself, so they need to be cooked quite delicately. Keep the cooking to a minimum. You can see here as it curls up, it'll rest back down again. You want to cook this to about medium-ish, and the point of this recipe is it goes through an escabeche. Okay, so this is escabeche. It's a really, really great method of preservation with the mixed bag of fish. So in this one I just prepared this yesterday. It's mussels, octopus and some moonfish, just with a few roasted tomatoes, some vinegar, some oil, some capsicum and bay leaf. And then what we do is we're grilling the mullet and using this escabeche to marinate and dress the fish itself. The beauty of this is a standalone. Escabeche itself, much like the preparation of the salmon, you can use this on your toast in the morning, and this can be sit stable, and then your fresh catch mullet is just something you add to it. So after a couple of minutes, you can see the top of the flesh is still translucent. We're just going to give it a touch of a flip, just a little kiss on the grill on the other side. So from there, it's just a quick tiny touch on the flesh side. Pull that off and let it just chill out for a minute. So with this, it's a very delicate cook. You're only just, see how it flakes? So that's perfectly cooked through, but only just holds its moisture. That's perfect. I just place the fish straight down. Don't worry about salt at this point. A little bit of moonfish, just bits and pieces of the escabeche. Becomes part of the whole. There's that tomato. And ideally, touch of salt. You kind of want to let that sit for a little while anyway. This isn't something that has to be served directly off the grill completely hot. If that's been sitting for 20 minutes to half an hour, it tastes almost tastes better because it picks up the vinegar and all the seasoning from the escabeche. So it's a great one to prepare ahead of time. So that's how I like to prepare mullet, or grilled mullet, with an escabeche dressing.